Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. Video number 84 now, I believe. So we're moving right along in the system. I've been busy doing other things, guys. I haven't been able to make a video in a while, but hope you guys are still with me. We got our earnings about an hour and a half ago from me recording. Excuse me, me recording this video. Today, as you see, we made 0.32%. So I made $53.83 on the money I earned in the system. Today is Monday. So on Friday I made 0.4%, 67.08. So doing pretty good, guys. Took some money out before, I think it was last week or so. So if you look at my account, yeah, guys, I'm about 4 bills, 22,400 in. At 355 USD I've made in 6 days. Yeah, 5 days last week and today. So moving along, right along, pretty good, guys. There's a lot of members in the system that are really getting up there and achieving goals. Of course, my next goal I want to get it to is the $25,000 mark. As you see, guys, I'm getting pretty close to that. So should happen probably within the next couple months, I'm thinking. Right now it's December 5th today, so I'm thinking for sure by February. Hoping to reach that milestone in January, so we'll see how things go. Got some bills and holidays and stuff, so I'm going to be taking some of this money out to enjoy. But nonetheless, guys, things are moving along real well. If you guys are thinking of, starting off the new year with earning some passive income for yourself, you guys should get in and join with S Group. Join my team. It's 100% legit. It's a great way to earn money. You earn money 5 days a week between Monday and Friday, 8 p.m. Central Time. We get our earnings, and it just kind of adds to this monthly income section right here, guys. That's pretty much what it does. So you have two choices after a month's cycle or a 2 week cycle. If you reinvest your money like what I do every 2 weeks, you could take your monthly earnings, that's here, you could throw it back on the principal, which is the total deposits right here, and you can earn more money because since your principal is going up, the percentage you make, your daily percentage, of course, would go up because you have a bigger principal. You know what I mean? So or you could take a portion of the money out or the entire amount that you have for the monthly income. Enjoy the money, do some Christmas shopping, pay, I don't know, car payments, groceries, what have you. So money does come in handy, guys, for various things. So, yeah, if you have any further questions, guys, shoot me an email. My email is in the description down below. I'll be able to answer emails pretty quickly. It goes right to my phone. So, looking forward to hearing from you guys. And I want to thank everybody that's been emailing me, reaching out to me in the last little while. I know you guys had questions, so I hope I addressed all your questions and concerns. And yeah, guys, so if you want more information, if you're just stumbling upon this video, checking out S Group, um, ask me any questions you have. If you're looking to sign up and get things moving, you can click on the sign up link down below in the description of the video. That's my referral link, and with that, you will join my team. I'll be able to walk you through and educate you on everything that is involved with S Group, so that way you have no guesswork, guys. You can just follow along. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you guys are enjoying your evening. Hopefully you have a good holidays coming up. It's about 3 weeks from Christmas, so um, and I'd love to hear from you guys about about your success. If you join S Group, you join my team, let me know. If not, yeah, get on joining, guys. You're gonna miss a great opportunity to earn money. If you go down to the bottom right here, you'll see all time. This is how much money I've made all time since I joined the system 2 years ago, guys. And I've taken a majority of that and reinvested it back. Some of it I enjoyed. So um, yeah, just want to let you guys know there's the different investment areas. As I've explained in my previous videos, most people start off investing somewhere underneath 1500 USD, and then they just keep reinvesting, which I did, which came up to this amount. Now I'm at this tier, and I'm going to be going to this tier very soon, guys. So very exciting times, of course. I'm getting towards the end of my 5-minute daily review video, guys. So also don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel and be informed of all the new updates and exciting things that are going on with S Group in the coming weeks and into the new year. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next week, or sorry, next video I should say. Take care. Have a good evening.